Hello, welcome to this physics video, and here we are going to learn about that when a charged particle is going to move in a uniform electric field, so what the path it is going to follow. Okay, so either we can also take it in the form of question that show the path followed by a charged particle moving at right angle to the uniform electric field is parabolic. Okay, so how we can show this one? So for this we are looking for this derivation. Here it is uniform electric field. So for this purpose I am going to suppose over here this is uniform electric plate is maintained by this oppositely charged plate. One it is of positively charged while the other it is of negatively charged plate. This is negatively charged plate and there is a charge at O. This is O point. So at this point there is a charge which is positive Q charge, and it is having its mass which is m. Okay, and it is going to move with the speed. This charge is moving with the speed. So let this speed, it is initial speed, it is v. So this is the speed of this charge. So it enters in this electric field. So here the electric field it is downward. This is positive to negative. So this electric field it is uniform. Okay, so in this electric field it is going to enter perpendicularly. This is with velocity v. It is going to enter perpendicularly. Okay, due to of this electric field, what will happen? Actual path that it should be straight line. Okay, if there will be no external field, then this charge will go straight line path. But due to of this electric field, what will happen? A force will exert on this charge. So how much is that force due to of this electric field? So it is force on charge due to electric field. So this is given as force is equal to QE. This is that force which is exerted on that electric charge due to this electric field. In the vector form, if we want to show, then this is the vector form. Okay, due to of this force, according to the Newton second law, that when a force will act with, on any mass, so it will produce acceleration. So this charge will be accelerated. Okay, therefore acceleration, how much acceleration is produced in this charge? So according to this Newton's second law, it is given as force upon mass. How much is the mass of that charge and how much is that force which is experienced by it? So here that force which is experienced by it, it is due to of this electric field, which is equal to QE upon that mass, it is m. Okay, so this is that acceleration. So if we are going to take the magnitude, so magnitude will be over here QE by m. This is in scalar form. Okay, so it is the magnitude of acceleration. Okay, so now let us look over here that when this charge enters in this uniform electric field, as it is a positive charge, so the force it will experienced toward this negative plate. Okay, so therefore it will get accelerated toward this negative plate. So in this way that it will move in this electric field. Okay, and therefore over here we have to prove that this path which is followed by this charge in this uniform electric field, it is a parabolic path. So we are taking over here that step. Let us to take this is step number 1. Okay, so over here in this step number 1, if we are supposing that this electric field is in this region, which is x region. Okay, there this charge is moving with v speed. If it will go straight, so when it will pass straight, when there will be no external field. ठीक है, जब ये फील्ड यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट नहीं होगी तो ये चार्ज कैसे जाएगा? बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हॉरिजॉन्टली मूव करेगा. ठीक है, तो कितना डिस्टेंस इसको मूव करना है? x. किस स्पीड से मूव करना है? v स्पीड से. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास इन हॉरिजॉन्टल मोशन. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल मोशन, how much time it has taken to cover this distance, तो जो time इसने लिया that it is equal to distance upon में speed, उसके distance कितना उसने cover करना था x और कितने speed से cover करना है v speed से cover करना है. But over here we are looking that it is going to move in this vertical axis. ये क्या कर रहा है, इस vertical axis के अंदर move कर रहा है. Therefore that motion in vertical direction. So जो vertical motion हुआ, ठीक है. So how much is that vertical displacement? तो ये इसकी vertical displacement ले जाएगी. This is vertical displacement. Okay. जो horizontal से जितना ये vertical direction में move करेगा. So this is vertical displacement. So this vertical displacement, how much it is? So for this we are using that this second equation of uniform accelerated motion. So what is this equation? S equal to ut plus of half at square. Okay, but over here that this acceleration, it is in vertical axis. Here it is not going along a straight line path, it is going in vertical axis. So therefore this acceleration is in vertical axis. There this initial velocity that will be of this in vertical axis. So here initial velocity, that u equal to initial velocity in vertical axis. What we are known here, it entered in horizontal direction. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है, हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में एंटर होता है. सो इट डू नॉट हैव एनी वेलोसिटी इन वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन. देयरफॉर इस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इन वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन इट वाज 0. एंड सेकंड थिंग ओवर हियर दैट हाउ मच इज दिस एक्सेलरेशन. तो इसमें जो एक्सेलरेशन है, सो दिस एक्सेलरेशन इज इन वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन. ये जो एक्सेलरेशन इसमें प्रोड्यूस हुई वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में है, वर्टिकल में. ठीक है, सो दिस acceleration in vertical direction. So this is over here we have calculated how much is that acceleration which is produced in this charged particle. So this acceleration only in vertical direction. So therefore it is going to be q e y m. This is acceleration in vertical direction. And how much is this displacement? So displacement over here it is equal to y. ये जो vertical displacement ये कर रहा है y के equal है. Therefore now what will come over here? So we get that y displacement is equal to u into t. So u is already 0. Initially it was not going to enter in vertical axis, it was along horizontal. Therefore this factor is 0. We are getting over there only 1 by 2 a. A is how much? It is q e y m. This is the value of a. And t square. So how much time it will take to cover this distance within the electric field? So this time is taken as x by v. So put this value in this formula and we get that it is x by v ka square. Okay, thus we are having this vertical displacement, it is equal to q e x square y 2m v square. Okay, or either that we can do over here all these things that we are going to make them as constant or let it be equal to k, and rest that x, it is that distance which is covered in this vertical axis. Now you will find that this is what, this is similar to that equation of a parabola. Okay, this is equation of parabola. So thus we have observed that what path is followed by this charged particle when it enters in the uniform electric field perpendicularly. So it is parabolic path. So here this k value is what, it is q e y double of m v square. Now this is going to be constant. Why it is constant over here? So you will find over here that electric field, it is fixed. Electric field is fixed, so it is not going to change. That charge is also fixed, its magnitude will not change, and that mass of the charge is also fixed, and that horizontal velocity which it is going to enter, that is also constant. Okay, so thus we have taken this is constant over here k. So we get that this is the equation of a parabola. So over here that on what factor this vertical deflection will depend. So this vertical deflection, it is directly proportional to q by m. Why it is only proportional to this q by m? Because over here this electric field, that distance which it will move in the electric field, and its velocity, that are going to be constant. So therefore this deflection is going to depend only on that how much is that charge and that mass of this charge. So on this, that deflection is going to depend. So over here this q by m, it is said to be as specific charge. Okay, this is specific charge. So more is the specific charge, more will be the deflection. Okay, so more is that specific charge, मोर विल बी दिस वर्टिकल डिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है, तो उतनी ज़्यादा है बैंड करनी है. जैसे हमारे पास ये नेगेटिव प्लेट है, ये पॉजिटिव प्लेट है. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये चार्ज जो है वो इस तरह से हॉरिजॉन्टली एंटर हुआ, लेकिन ये क्या करता है, इस तरह से बेंड करता है. ठीक है, सो दिस पाथ विच इट हैज़ फॉलोड, सो दैट वाज parabolic, we have proved it. And this vertical deflection, it is going to depend on this specific charge. Thank you for watching this video.